You guys, what day is it today?
Daddy's birthday.
So I'm gonna have a crack at this that I've been wanting to have a go at for a while. I did a depression cake a while back, which generally is a chocolate cake, otherwise known as a crazy cake or a wacky cake, because it contains no eggs, no butter and no milk. Now I'm going to have a go at making a vanilla version of the depression cake. For those who don't know, the name came about because it's a recipe from the Great Depression when those food items were very scarce. Going to predominantly let the kids do this. Olivia was meant to be here as well, but she's got caught up inside a book in the car, and I don't think I'm going to see her again till like dinner time. She does that, she starts a book and she's gone. Anyway, so Sam's in charge. We need 3 cups of flour. What I'm actually doing is, I'm actually doubling this recipe because it makes quite a small cake. We're actually going to make 2, and I'm going to make it like a double layered cake. 2 cups of sugar.
1 each.
2 teaspoons of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of salt.
2 teaspoons vinegar.
Yes, white vinegar. 1. 3 teaspoons of vanilla essence. So 10 tablespoons of oil. 8 tablespoons is a half a cup. So half a cup plus 2 more tablespoons. And then 2 cups of water.
Ida's doing it.
You know, they started off low. It's got a lot of liquid in it, so. Plus the other 2 have ditched us. We get one of these each. I'm going to try and pour these fairly evenly. We'll just see how I go. So I'm going to put those in the oven, they're 175 degrees for about 35 minutes, and just test with a skewer, make sure it's completely comes out clean, and then leave them on the bench to cool off. And in the meantime, we're going to make some icing. Happy birthday to you.
That's actually really nice. It's
Fine, I'll have it.
nice for, and it's so moist and yeah, that's very professional cake.
Is it?
That's very professional. That's good.
Very good.
Very nice.
You're right, that is very moist. It is very yummy. As far as the vanilla cake goes, that's good stuff.
It's nice and fluffy.
It is nice texture.
Right.
That's
Awesome.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Why has New Zealand been putting up with subpar cakes for so many years? I mean, this is good stuff. You know.
Well, that's the thing. The first time I made a depression cake, I was expecting it to not be as good as a normal cake because you're omitting things.
It's better.
But it's, yeah, like the chocolate one. That's now my chocolate cake.
That's
my
the
go-to.
go-to.
Yeah.
No, sorry,
Awesome.
this is too nice.
Hit like, leave a comment, subscribe, eat cake.
Super yum. I like this piece.
Ah.